Well, the customer had the third brake light wasn't working, so we're gonna replace the brake switch. I already replaced it already, but I just wanted to make a video for you guys because I know some people don't know how to replace it. So I'm just gonna show how to replace it. Super simple. It takes like 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go on the dashboard here, where this clip is, right here. Right? So first thing I'm gonna do is press the tab right here, pull it out. Okay. I'll grab it from here, take it, turn it, pull it out. That's the old one. That's no good. Came right out. New one, take it, put it in the socket, line it up, turn it to the right, put the sensor in, and that's it. You're good to go. Change your brake light switch. So now when you press on the brake, the third brake light will work now. It wasn't working before with this one because this one was old and went out. So now I'm gonna show you guys it works now. Go ahead, just press on the brake real quick. And now the third brake light is working now. When you press on the brake, there you go. That's it. It's that simple to change the brake light switch. All right, let it go. Press it. Let it go. Press it. And that's it. Brake light switch is replaced. And you're good to go. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.